Hey there, party planners and cat lovers. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and detailed insights. Today, we're diving into what could be the best cat-themed birthday party set on the market. If you're looking to throw an unforgettable feline fiesta, stay tuned because we've got all the details you need. Introducing the 96-piece cat birthday party plates, napkins, and forks supplies tableware set by Fesciory. This kit is designed to make your next birthday bash or any celebration a breeze, with everything you need to serve up to 24 guests. You get 24 7-inch plates and 24 9-inch plates, both adorned with adorable cat designs. There are also 24 matching napkins, perfect for keeping those paws clean. And of course, 24 forks to ensure your guests can enjoy their treats hassle-free. What sets this set apart is its quality. Made from high-quality, durable paper, these plates and napkins are not only sturdy but also eco-friendly. The designs are vibrant, fade-resistant, and non-toxic, ensuring a safe and festive atmosphere for your party. One of the best features of this set is its convenience. Being disposable, cleanup is a breeze, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the party and less time washing dishes. It's a win-win. And hey, it's not just for birthdays. Whether it's a baby shower, graduation, or even just a casual get-together with fellow cat enthusiasts, this set fits the bill. It's versatile enough for any occasion that calls for a touch of feline fun. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the ultimate cat-themed party supplies that combine quality, convenience, and affordability, look no further than the 96-piece cat birthday party plates, napkins, and forks supplies tableware set from Fesciory. It's a must-have for any cat lover looking to throw a memorable celebration. That wraps up our review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and party planning tips. Until next time, happy celebrating!